iPhone 16 Pro pa je sploh še ni odzunaj. No, vsaj tako prav Google Gemini.
Za foro so testirala AI pomočnika ChatGPT in Google Gemini in prišla do zanimivih rezultatov.
Vprašala sva jih, če je iPhone 16 Pro že odzunaj in tukaj naj jo Gemini ful presenetil z odgovorom.
Has iPhone 16 Pro already been released?
No, the iPhone 16 Pro has not been released yet. Apple typically releases their new iPhone models in September of each year. So we can expect the iPhone 16 Pro to be announced sometime in September 2024?
But Gemini, iPhone 16 Pro has already been announced in September of 2024.
And it has been released.
That's correct. I apologize for the oversight. The iPhone 16 Pro was indeed announced in September 2024. It seems there was a misunderstanding on my part. Would you like to know more about the iPhone 16 Pro's features?
Kot tweetuje, sta ga mogla opomniti, da je telefon dejansko že zunaj, ker ni glih dober znak. Kako pa je ChatGPT odgovoril?
Has iPhone 16 Pro already been released?
It was announced by Apple on September 9th, 2024, and became available for pre-order on September 13th. The official release date was September 20th, 2024. This model features an upgraded A18 Pro chip, a larger 6.3-inch display, and enhanced camera
Vsaj
capability,
dela, ne?
Ja.
including a 48
Iz prve.
megapixel main and ultra.
Bravo, ChatGPT, saj ti delaš. Google Gemini ne dela tako hiter.
1-0 za ChatGPT.
Ja, res, bravo. Kot sem rekel, ChatGPT ima očitno aktualnejše informacije, tako da upava, da se bo Gemini res izboljšal.